Got right here another pretty awesome knife by Knife. This is double helix. Let's see what it means. This has gotta be the weirdest knife I have put to the test in a while. So really nice holder. Let's open it up. So as you can see, most of the time whenever you see designs like that are kind of fake. Well, these ones actually are useful. Whenever you press it, the whole spring goes down on this side and this side, and as you can see, the knife wants to come out. So you just pull it, boom. Ooh, will not work with one. You gotta push them on both sides right here. Wow, you kind of have to let it go. It's super smooth. It's actually bounced, it's so smooth. And obviously you can just, ooh, you cannot. Oh man, that's so tight, you cannot take it out. I thought you'll be able to take it out. No way, this is locked. It's not gonna come off. That's definitely unique design. And then as soon as you push it down a little bit, look at that. It comes down really easily. That is unique. So it's kind of like designed as the spring. All it is, this kind of design, except it's exposed, which is beautiful. I mean, there's more pieces to be broken, but I love really unique designs like that. Looks super steampunky. Wow, so smooth. Okay, I guess you can press it and then open it, but with two hands. So check out this blade. That's beautiful. Very comfortable knife. I like it. Guess you can hold it like that. I kind of like it better out here. With my big hands, no problem. Wow. No markings on the blade. I guess it says S35VN. That's a steel. And nothing else. Cool, just a logo right here. This is a Knife logo. And right here as well, clip, super tight, not reversible. Look how smooth that is. But yeah, that's so unique. Check this out, you see? I wonder how durable that spring is. Will it break over time? Look at that, it just wanna open. Have you seen a knife like that? If you have, give me a name. I'll buy it as well and make a video of it. Really cool how this exposed little springs. Yeah, you don't even have to flicker too close. It's kind of let the gravity do its thing. It's so smooth. Because it's like once you let it go, nothing is holding it. That's why it falls so easily.